ayan, after pala ng klase nila ng mga bata ay punta kami sa lungsod. Mamimili kasi kami ng ingredients para sa tinapay. Dahil may production kami bukas at meron kaming delivery. Sinama ko na lang yung mga bata dahil wala pa rin yung mga kuya nila. Kaya ayan, dito kami ngayon sa palengke. Keep on watching lang mga kabayan.
This is my bag.
Your bag.
That's my bag. This is really other bag. We eat mantika.
Kalimot na ko ng delivery na.
Ama, kenapa may suot kamay?
Yung sa bagyo, yo.
Ano po? I'm big than you now.
Pagluma.
I'm big than you. Look. I'm big.
Katapos namin mamili ay bili muna kami ng snack nila.
Ano kang isa? Do. Ano to?
It's so good. Will you press?
Mami. Wala na
Ay, ako.
Wala ito. Dali.
The next day mga kabayan. So ganito nga pala yung setup namin bago kami pumasok ng school. Tapos nag-agahan yung mga bata. Kaya ayan. Kumain muna sila ng watermelon at may nabili si Loloy kahapon. So ako naman ay nagtanghalian muna dahil kagagaling ko lang maligo. Si Loloy na yung nagpakain sa mga bata.
So juicy. Yummy. Oh, it's so juicy.
It's so
Juicy.
juicy and
And sweet.
so juicy and sweet.
Mm.
Magaw, come here.
Waggo, come here.
Where's Magaw eating? Come here, Magaw. Panamigas diha. You love it? We'll bring watermelon in the school.
No.
Di lang ka?
Mm.
Why? Apple lang. Your snack is fruits lang, ha? Fruits lang inyong snack, ha? Do not eat sweets, biscuit, ha? Fruits lang. Yeah, no juice today. Okay? Because apple is juicy naman.
But Mama, it's still sweet.
Yeah,
Why?
it's sweet.
And juicy? Why?
Because God made it sweet.
Why?
For us to taste delicious.
Mama, there's a one seed. Seeds. It made cement. Mama, why it made cement and paint? Why it made cement and paint? Mama, why it made cement and paint?
Cement? So juicy and sweet.
Why? This one, the cement
It's not a cement, it's a ceiling.
is a ceiling. Why?
To
Mama,
cover
let's
us.
see I blow it. Mama, let's see I blow it. Mama, why I can blow it?
Ano?
Mama, the house so
because they made it stronger. So the strong wind cannot blow it.
Why?
For us to cover from the rain.
Mama. Mama. Why there's a hole and the upside down? Mama, why there's a hole?
Where's the hole?
And here. And here. And here.
So there are fresh air so the fresh air can come inside.
Why?
Because it's so hot when there's no hole.
Mama, good so sleepy.
Bago tayo umalis, papuntang eskwela, maghugas muna tayo ng pinagkainan and then mag-prepare ng baon para sa mga kids. And while tayo ay naghuhugas pa, so si Lolo naman ay pinag-toothbrush niya muna yung mga bata.
Iya, Paka. Ah. Deh. Brush tip. May kamasag kon mo. Ala. Ay kon ba? Kaya ito. Go. Baby mouth. It's up. It's up and keep your
Papa, you turn it up. Papa, you turn it up.
Three. It's up.
Papa, you turn it up.
It's up.
Papa, you turn it up.
It's up. Apa? Gahi man yung ito siguro ni.
Ha?
Gahi.
Di mo mukaan mo na sa din, wala ka man anda.
Alit anong tani gamayar pud ani eh. Wa siya lain na.
Wa.
Gamayar. Be.
Papa, you turn it up.
Hijab. Ay, hala na onza naman ang kita na ba? Smile. Hello. Oh, smile. Open mouth.
Open mouth.
Open mouth.
You want to eat rice? Yeah. You want to eat rice?
Blow. Ba? Missy your cake. Ay, magtatas ko dali. Yam. Mag-ilis yam. Tatas ko. Aba, simunta siya ilok be. Aba. Balik duro be, aba. Okay. Ilok na. Oh, ilok na eh.
Papa.
Baby, 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 baby. Baby, baby.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken nahulog.
Yes.
Chicken.
Ano.
Chicken. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Hindi siya ba ni pagkasural eh? Wala, nahog na. Tayo ko ng chicken na ron. Mabuhi. The other one. Uy, you listen to your teacher, ha? Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Teacher Eli. Teacher Eli, Abi. Ano sugot tayo? Duaan po. Loh. Diam. Saan ba si Oh, ba niya,
Banana. Banana. It's so too sweet for baby chicken. Yeah.
Ayan, dali, diam.
So too sweet.
Dali, kayo mag-wear tag shoes.
Yan guys, nag-prepare tayo ng snack para sa mga kids.
We will. It's here. That's it? Okay. Oh, yes. We don't eat pa. We'll wait. Okay, we pray pa, okay? We will pray for our snacks pa. We will wait. Let's wait. Oh, you get your snack? Where's your snack? In the steps. Oh, ano lang. Did you go to Teacher Eli? Or you ask Teacher Eli for snack? Sit down sa akin, mag-pray sa akin. Mag-pray sa akin. Wait pa, wait sa. Joseph. Joseph. Balik ka? What do you...
Ay, tanong rin mo. Hindi nga snack ka? Naantay muna namin si Loloy dito pagkatapos ng klase nila dahil ang production pa si Loloy doon sa bahay. And waiting muna kami dito habang nag-snack muna yung mga bata. Second snack na. At bago kami umuwi ay pagupit muna silang tatlo. You cut your hair also.
Cut.
You cut your hair, ha? Cut ka hair po, ha? Anak. Anak, ha? Anak. Anak, ha?
Kid lang yung babaw.
Mas tita. Tita is here. Hubo lang. Dua gunting. natapos na ngayon lutuin ni Lolo yung
Huwag
binangkay.
mo ko nang sa gulay atong bago. Pagdaan.
Mama, this is our bike.
That's your bye?
Mama, you're gonna sword.
Huh?
You're gonna sword.
I'm gonna sword? But how about when the rain comes?
Yeah. But it's so tiny. You can't fit.
You can fit?
Wait.
Nagbahay-bahayan sila dito sa likod.
Mama.
Why?
Wait, Mama. We're gonna put weight on it so the rain can go on outside our hot bike.
Bye.
Okay.
What do you want to put? You want to put
And this one.
huh?
And this tree.
On the tree?
The sun was basa.
Outdoor play muna. Iwas sa screen time. Balira ba ang sinilas ni Magaw? Asa naman po di mong slipper? Wear your slipper lagi always. You wear your slipper.
Baba.
Oh, you wear it. Naraman da diha. Wear it.
My coconut. My Mama, you don't touch coconut. Okay, glass.
Ganda ng laruan nila dito sa bakod nila, Mimi. Likod ng bahay nila ba? Ayan mga kabayan, may nakuha pa tayong papaya dito sa kila Ate Ivan. Bumili kasi ako ng luya. Magluto kami ng manok. Pagtingin ko sa punong papaya, ang ganda ng mga hinog na kapayas. Hiningi ko para bukas. Malaking tulong kasi yung papaya sa digestions ko mga kabayan. So, ayan. Thank you so much, Ate Ivan. And that's all for today's update. See you again for the next live update namin. Thank you so much. Bye!